Okay, here's my loop. If you can see on the other side, there's the loop and it goes through that hook right there. And over here, there's my hook. If you look closely, you can see the tendon, which is this guy, which we're gonna back out to make room for that loop. We're gonna start out by pulling on the loop, which will put the drive in reverse. Okay, now that the drive is in reverse, we have more room to play with. I'm going to use some vice grips to back out the tendon. I think you can use regular pliers, but I think this might be easier. I am putting the Spectra line back on the hook. I'm making a video. Yeah, you don't have to back out the whole tendon. You can see that there is enough room now. Maybe with different light. There, you can see it better now. And if we look at the other one, you can see that that tendon is kind of in the way. So I just backed it out. The loop should go on pretty easily now. There it is. Now I gotta put the tendon back down. And if you grab the tendon this way, it tends to slip. So I did it sideways. Okay. Now if we look at it again, you'll see that that tendon came back down and it's kind of blocking the way out. And your drive should be good to go.